Trade Evista 100 Review, Scam or Legitimate Crypto Trading Platform. Prateek Arora last updated, May 17, 2024, 8:11 EDT 10-minute read. Disclaimer, the text below is an advertorial article that is not part of crypto news. Editorial content. Knowing the right strategies beforehand is important for any form of investment. However, there is still a gap in the financial education that people have, which is why Trade Evista 100 advertises itself as a conduit of financial wisdom. Promising to connect learners with esteemed academic institutions, this platform reportedly serves as a guiding beacon, steering people toward better education. How true is this claim? Read this review to find out. Trade Evista 100 Summary. Visit Trade Evista 100. Cryptocurrencies are unregulated. Trading with unregulated brokers will not qualify for investor protection. What is Trade Evista 100? Investment principles can be too intricate for some to understand. The technical jargon is too complex, and the strategies required can be too nuanced at times. To navigate this maze of issues, a simple platform has to be designed. Trade Evista 100 advertises itself as one. Claiming to directly connect learners with esteemed academic establishments, this platform asserts that it is here to help investors worldwide. It states that it abstains from dispensing direct investment counsel, instead relying on third-party academic institutions to help learners. These educational institutes reportedly help users learn about various forms of investments and investing assets in a simpler fashion. The website's overly eloquent tone also suggests that Trade Evista 100 provides a large library of resources and provides investment education in many ways. Although it is not clear, we have some reasons to believe that Trade Evista 100 might deliver tutorials through blogs, videos, and even one-on-one trading. According to the website, this platform covers topics such as investment principles, deciphering the language of investments, and understanding asset diversification. The platform suggests that educators ensure that the learning curve becomes less steep so that grasping key details becomes easy. However, there is no information online to support these claims. Third-party reviews are not available, and first-hand accounts from learners who have used this platform are not available either. These factors cast doubt over this platform's legitimacy, which makes it important for learners to take each step properly. Trade Evista 100 Pros and Cons. Upon reading the content available to us on the official website, here are the core pros and cons we could find. Pros. The process to sign up is simple. Partnered with esteemed educational companies. Multi-level education available. Multiple modes of training. Multiple topics covered, ranging from beginner to advanced. Cons. Founder-related details remain undisclosed. Fee details are absent. No third-party assessments are available. First-hand accounts not available. How does Trade Evista 100 work? Trade Evista 100 says nothing about how it works. However, we were able to decipher some of its operative methods from the jargon-filled content it is presented on the website. It all begins with a simple sign-up process, which also requires a phone number. During the registration process, users may be contacted by a customer support representative. The process may also involve a user divulging how much they know about investments, which may then prompt Trade Evista 100 to connect them to an appropriate educational company. Then, learners may begin their education. How they will be provided lessons, however, is not clear. A few sections on the homepage make it seem like standard learning modules, such as articles and videos, are present. The website claims that each module will be customized to a learner's level of investment knowledge. Quizzes and assignments might be involved, and simulated conditions may also be provided for users to practice what they have learned. If our assumptions are true, Trade Evista 100 can be a good platform to learn about investments. However, all of the information we have just given you is only a guess. It is better to talk to the customer support team about the sign-up process. Trade Evista 100 features. Here are some of the core features that Trade Evista 100 has listed on its website. Simple sign-up process. Like many educational platforms before it, Trade Evista 100 also states that its website architecture is streamlined, which facilitates a seamless registration process. The site claims that it takes less than 10 minutes, and investors can start their learning journey quickly. Quality connections. Since Trade Evista 100 works as an intermediary, it claims that the educational companies it is partnered with are of high quality. The platform claims that it delivers systemic guidance tailored to preferences and learning goals. If true, this means that users won't feel overwhelmed during their learning sessions. Covering multiple subjects. Trade Evista 100 claims to cover multiple subjects, allowing investors to learn about the myriad of intricacies of the financial ecosystem. This educational platform claims that even novices may benefit from it, and veterans will have a chance to improve their skills. Simplifying complex subject matters. The learning curve of financial education can be steep. This website claims to simplify that with the aid of educators who understand the deeper meaning of all the technical jargon. Reportedly, they ensure that users don't have any trouble when navigating the market once the lessons are complete. No-cost registration. According to the website, users won't need to pay anything during the registration process. Only entering small details is required, and it will create an account for learners to start getting acquainted with investment methodologies. Multi-device support. According to the website, Trade Evista 100 is available on multiple devices, even though it only has a web application. The platform is responsive enough, per the claims, to allow even mobile users to learn about investments comfortably. Visit Trade Evista 100. Cryptocurrencies are unregulated. Trading with unregulated brokers will not qualify for investor protection. Trade Evista 100 fees. The only detail given at the bottom of Trade Evista 100's homepage is that there are no additional charges when it comes to fees. We found that very confusing since even simple fee details aren't available. The platform doesn't discuss having a subscription model, nor does it talk about cost per tutorial. It indicates that learners may be able to learn about the fees they must deposit by talking to partner education companies. Trade Evista 100 minimum deposit. Trade Evista 100 doesn't portray itself as an auto trading platform, which also means that there is no need for a minimum deposit. However, considering the limited information we have access to, there might be some hidden trading-related functionalities on this website. They may require a minimum deposit, but it is all a guess. Therefore, this is another detail we recommend that investors discuss with the customer support team. Is Trade Evista 100 a scam? Even when a platform is only claiming to provide financial education, it is important to learn whether it is a scam or a legitimate website. However, getting the right answer in the case of Trade Evista 100 is not easy. For one, the language it uses is too complex and not in a good way. The entire web page has been written to showcase the quality of the content, not the quality of the services available. This made it difficult for us to check out the features it may deliver. Scam-ridden sites often use this to confuse readers and entice them into signing up. Secondly, the website has only provided bare-bones information about the kind of services learners can get from it, even though it has clearly stated that it doesn't offer education but uses third parties to do so. There is no information about those parties. This may have been a strategic move to prevent readers from directly learning from the parties without using the intermediary that Trade Evista 100 portrays itself as. Fee details and founder-related details are also absent, which gives us some pause since it is very important for a site like this to be transparent. On the flip side, though, the official website looks good. The buttons work and the texts are readable. We also didn't encounter any grammatical mistakes as we reviewed the content. This might not be enough to avoid discounting the platform as a scam, but it shows that the website has some integrity. Since there is no clarity about Trade Evista's legitimacy, we recommend talking to the customer support team and waiting for more reviews to arrive before using this platform. How to use Trade Evista 100. For those who want to learn about the deep intricacies of the financial ecosystem from Trade Evista 100, here are the steps to follow. Step 1. Create an account. Users must first leverage the reportedly simple sign-up process to create an account on Trade Evista 100. The process, as they say, doesn't require much effort. Only small details like name, email, and phone number are needed. Step 2. Find an education company. The platform may then reach out to you via a customer support representative who will be asking questions about how much you know. Depending on your knowledge level, you may be assigned an educator. Step 3. Start learning about investments. The final step is to start learning about investments from these educators. Whether users will get a link from Trade Evista 100 to gain access to the learning modules or they will get a link to the educator's website is not clear. Whatever the case may be, start learning about investment when you finally get the modules. It is also important to judge what you have learned. Always confirm the lessons you receive by going to YouTube channels or other top crypto Discord servers to see if what you're taught is worth something. How to delete a Trade Evista 100 account. Trade Evista 100 doesn't talk about the account deletion process. However, there might be a button on the dashboard that could provide this facility. We recommend checking out after account creation. Alternatively, investors can talk to the customer support team and get their accounts removed. Have celebrities endorse Trade Evista 100. Trade Evista 100 has just launched. It hasn't established a renown on the market, and it doesn't mention any celebrity support. So, no, there are no celebs standing behind Trade Evista 100 for now. Who is the founder of Trade Evista 100? Keeping up with the trend of other prominent educational websites we have reviewed before, Trade Evista 100 doesn't reveal anything about the platform's founders. We don't know who they are, and the website doesn't even post links to their social media handles. Trade Evista 100's founders have embraced anonymity, which they had no reason to do since the site doesn't have any trading facilities. Latest Bitcoin news. Here are the latest Bitcoin news for the week ending on 18th May 2025. Bitcoin surges once again and is getting closer to its $7 tick mark. Currently, the crypto is worth more than $65. Summer of easing is setting in for Bitcoin, with many anticipating the world's biggest crypto to reach new heights. The verdict is Trade Evista 100 legit. Only financial education services are highlighted on the official Trade Evista 100 website. While this is an interesting prospect, there is no proof that the lessons provided are effective. Third-party reviews are nowhere to be found, and customer testimonials don't exist yet. This points to the fact that this website is still untested. The website's content uses fancy language, which doesn't give us a clear insight into its features. Therefore, we recommend looking for alternative crypto trading courses to learn about investments. Visit Trade Evista 100. Cryptocurrencies are unregulated. Trading with unregulated brokers will not qualify for investor protection. Fact: what is Trade Evista 100? Trade Evista 100 is a financial education platform that reportedly acts as a bridge between learners and esteemed education companies. How much does Trade Evista 100 charge for its services? Trade Evista 100's fee structure is not highlighted on the official website. For answers, we recommend contacting the customer support team. Can I connect with the Trade Evista 100 support team via phone? It is not clear whether Trade Evista 100 can be contacted via phone. The only way to reach them that we could find was a contact form. Follow us on Google News.